Artificial intelligence, insights you need from Harvard Business Review. The firms using AI the most are large companies with lots of data. Small, medium, and business-to-business companies are less likely to use AI. Transforming customer service may involve chatbots, intelligent agents, and recommendation engines. AI tends to be narrow technology that supports particular tasks rather than placing entire jobs or processes. AI exasperates two critical problems: algorithmic bias and lack of transparency. The bottleneck with AI today is management, implementation, and business imagination. AI is effective at voice recognition, transcriptions, and image recognition. AI fundamentally improves the value proposition for some products, for example, improving the cool efficiency of a data center by 15%. AI can improve recommendations to customers. Infinite Analytics, for example, developed a system to predict whether someone will click on an ad by improving ad placements for a CPG company. And doing so, they tripled the advertising ROI. They also improved customer search and discovery process for an online retailer and increased annual revenue by $125 million. AI often gets good at specific tasks, but that knowledge doesn't generalize. One of the great advantages of AI is that it learns from examples rather than need to have everything explained in detail. The key is providing enough quality examples. Just feed the AI a bunch of correct answers to a particular problem. Here are some examples of inputs with the desired outputs from AI. Voice recording and transcription, historical market data and future market data, photograph and caption, purchase histories, and future purchase behavior. As you provide more examples of desired outputs, the AI gets better, but this only happens to a point. Adding more examples beyond a point won't help you produce better outcomes or predictions. AI may help us discover patterns in purchase behaviors that we were currently unaware of. Microsoft uses AI to select headlines for MSN.com news stories by rewarding systems with a higher score when more visitors click on a link. AI will optimize for the literal goal, but not necessarily the goal that you want, which may be something longer term, like customer lifetime value. So be careful in specifying the goal clearly. Getting sufficient data can be surprisingly easy. For example, Udacity used chat room logs from salespeople as training data. This helped AI understand salespeople who were much more effective at replying to inbound inquiries. This was used to nudge salespeople's conversations in a way that was more likely to get a sale. Their effectiveness improved 54%, and they were able to serve twice as many customers at a time. AI is great at intelligently recommending music, movies, or any type of personalized content. AI normally complements rather than replaces human activity due to the specificity of its tasks. One challenge with AI is that it's difficult to understand how it reaches its conclusion. AI also works with statistical rather than literal truths, meaning it won't work well in situations that aren't represented in the training data. AI from Effectiva is already at the human level in terms of discerning a person's emotional state based on their tone of voice or facial expression. If your data set is too large, the AI would need to do a zillion comparisons to draw a conclusion. So instead of going through every image, for example, we can approximate a large data set with a function. One of the best functions of AI is predicting what you'll likely buy. When implementing AI, focus on the business impact rather than the optimal statistical model. An example was a product that allowed community pages on Facebook to instantly translate into several languages. AI is also good with intent models. For example, if you write, "I'll be there in 30 minutes" as a text, the AI might prompt you to order an Uber. Lumos combs through photos on social media to learn what they contain. This can be used to see people misusing your logo, for example, or offering personalized ads on the basis of the photos in your feed. The algorithm's accuracy and confidence follows an S-curve, slow to learn at first, then rapidly improving and tapering off. Exhaust the human brain first. If you have the right data, you are 80% of the way to solving the problem, even without touching AI. You want to redesign business processes and human tasks around AI because it only helps with individual tasks. The efficacy of AI algorithms decays over time because they are built on historical data and recent business knowledge. The algorithm should be updated. Also consider something like a dramatic demographic shift. The AI would be biased by outdated information. AI saves people time so that they can concentrate on the many tasks where they beat machines. AI is particularly effective at solving problems with large amounts of reliable data and when it's given answers with clear parameters. AI is not good at novel problems or those lacking meaningful data. AI takes raw data and converts it into something useful for decision making. Your data is only useful for so many predictions. Large companies have tons of daily operational data, so their data is more valuable than those of startups. AI tends to create value in three ways. One, reducing costs, largely through automation. Two, increasing revenue, largely through recommendations to customers. And three, launching new lines of business. AI makes two types of mistakes: mistakes in the learning phase and mistakes in the performance phase. The frequency and seriousness of AI failures will likely increase steadily as AI becomes more capable. To mitigate this problem, control user input and use verified data only. Check for common biases, determine how the AI can fail and have safety mechanisms in place, and have a PR plan if there is a big failure. Stitch Fix helps 3,400 stylists with AI recommendations for customers. This makes them faster and reduces returns. The most significant performance improvements are when AI and humans work together like this. AI provides the right information at the right time. AI can improve flexibility, speed, scale, decision making, and personalization. AIs like Cortana can transcribe meetings. AI can analyze body language and tone. Carnival Corporation uses AI to personalize cruise experiences with a wearable device called the Ocean Medallion. This streamlines onboarding, leaving, purchasing, and accessing rooms like a key. It also tracks activities to help staff make recommendations. In the future, jobs may be organized more around different skills rather than rigid job titles, and AI will aid in productivity. Today, the British government monitors citizen sentiments on different topics on social media using AI. The future of AI may lie in its ability to monitor and respond to our emotions. As one futurist says, if a marketer can make you cry, he can get you to buy.